In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify product tabs using AI to any theme. We'll walk through this process together, making it easy to enhance your product pages and offer a more organized shopping experience for your customers. First, let's start by navigating to your Shopify product page. Once you're there, you'll need to decide where exactly you want your product tabs to appear. This is important because it can influence how your customers engage with the product information. On the product page, click on the Add section where you want to place these tabs. Choose this spot carefully, considering how it fits into the overall layout and flow of the page. Next, you'll need to type the title of the section you're aiming to generate. This could be something straightforward like Product Details, Specifications, or User Reviews, depending on what information you want to highlight. Think about what would be most useful for your audience and aligns with your brand's voice. Once you've typed in your desired section title, go ahead and click on Generate. Now, don't be alarmed if nothing happens immediately. The system may take a moment to respond. On the right panel, you'll see a prompt asking how you want these product tabs to function. This is your chance to specify details. Feel free to be as precise as you'd like. For example, you might elaborate on what kind of information each tab should pull in, whether it's sourced dynamically or requires specific formatting. After you've given your instructions, let the magic happen. The AI will need some time to work through your input, especially if the guidelines are elaborate. You might notice that more complex plans take a little longer to process, so patience here will reward you with a more tailored result. Once the generation process completes, the tabs will appear as you've specified. This is where you can flex your creative muscles even further. Head over to the right panel again for additional tweaks. You can edit the tabs to refine any details that don't quite align with your vision. If you want to make further modifications, you can enter more prompts for the AI to adjust or re-edit the sections, ensuring the tabs are exactly how you want them. And just like that, you're done. Simple, right? By following these steps, you've added dynamic and functional product tabs to your Shopify theme using AI. This update not only makes your product pages look more professional, but also enhances the user experience, helping your customers find the information they need quickly and conveniently. With this tool at your disposal, the customization possibilities are vast, allowing you to stand out in a competitive market. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tool as valuable as we do.